Daily Slow English.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to part 6 of our real-life English series. I am so glad you are here. In this lesson, we will focus on personal care, hobbies, and making new friends in our daily lives. We will learn how to order coffee, use gym equipment, get a haircut, and talk about lovely pets. Are you ready to practice speaking? Let's start with Situation 1. Working from a busy coffee shop. Hi there, it is very busy in here today. Do you have any free tables available right now?
Yes, we have one small table left in the quiet corner. What can I get for you?
I would like a large iced latte, please. It is so hot outside walking in the summer sun.
One large iced latte? Do you have any dairy-free milk options? Like oat milk or fresh almond milk?
Yes, please use oat milk. I am allergic to regular cow's milk and cannot drink it at all.
Oat milk is a great choice. Can I also get you something to eat? Maybe a warm croissant?
No food for me today, just the coffee. I am planning to do some work on my laptop.
Will you be drinking it here, or do you want it in a plastic cup to go outside?
I will drink it here, thank you. By the way, what is the Wi-Fi password for this cafe?
The Wi-Fi password is coffee lover, all in lowercase letters. The internet connection is very fast and stable here.
Thank you so much. Also, my laptop battery is very low. Do you know where the power outlets are?
Yes, there are power outlets under the seats against the brick wall. You can plug your laptop there.
That is perfect. I have a long online meeting in 10 minutes. I really need the electric power.
That will be $5.50. You can pay with cash or a standard credit card.
Here is my credit card. The customer service here is always wonderful and very fast. I love it.
You are all set. I will bring your iced oat milk latte to your table in a minute.
I will go sit down and open my laptop now. Thank you for your great help today, Leo.
It is my absolute pleasure. Have a great time working, and let me know if you need anything.
Great job. When working in a cafe, always ask politely for the Wi-Fi password and the power outlets. Now, let's look at Situation 2. Going to the gym for the first time. Watch and learn closely.
Hello, excuse me, are you a fitness trainer here? This is my very first day at the gym. Hi there. Yes, I am a personal trainer. Welcome to our gym facility. How can I help you? I want to start running and lose weight, but I do not know how to use this treadmill. Do not worry at all. It is very easy to use. First, you need to step on the belt.
Okay, I am standing on the belt now. What is the next step?
There are so many buttons. Just press the big green button that says start. The machine will begin moving very slowly at first. Oh, I see. It is moving now. But this walking speed is a bit too slow for me. You can adjust the speed easily. Press the up arrow button on the right side of the screen. I pressed it 3 times. The speed is faster now. This feels like a very good, comfortable jog. Excellent. You can also press the incline button to make the machine go up like a steep hill. I will try running flat today. If I feel tired and want to stop, what do I press?
Just press the big red stop button immediately. The machine will slow down and stop safely for you.
What is this red clip with a string for? It is hanging from the front of the screen.
That is the safety emergency clip. You attach it to your shirt. It stops the machine if you fall. Oh, that is very clever and extremely safe. I will clip it to my shirt right now, thanks.
Do you have a small towel with you? You will sweat a lot when you run very fast.
Yes, I brought a blue towel in my gym bag. Where can I find some fresh drinking water?
There is a water fountain near the changing rooms. You can fill your bottle there anytime you want.
Thank you so much for explaining everything so clearly. I feel much more confident using this machine now. You are very welcome. Have a great workout today. Remember to breathe deeply while you are jogging forward. I will do my best to run for 30 straight minutes today. Wish me good luck with this.
To adjust the speed means to make the machine go faster or slower. Safety is always incredibly important. Next, let's look at situation 3, getting a haircut at the salon. See how they communicate clearly together.
Good morning. Welcome to our beauty salon. Do you have an appointment or are you a walk-in today?
Good morning. I do not have an appointment. I was hoping to get a simple haircut today, please.
You are very lucky. I have some free time right now. What would you like to do today?
My hair is getting a bit too long and messy. I just want a nice, simple trim today.
A simple trim sounds perfect. Please leave your jacket here. Do you want me to wash your hair?
Yes, please wash my hair first. I really love the relaxing apple shampoo you use in this salon.
Great. Let's walk over to the washing sink in the back. The water temperature is nice and warm.
Now for the haircut, please do not cut too much off. Just 2 short inches.
Understood. I will just take 2 inches off the bottom to safely remove the dry, damaged split ends.
Perfect. I want to keep it long enough so I can still easily tie it in a ponytail.
I will be very careful with the length. How about your front bangs? Do you want them shorter?
No, please leave the bangs exactly as they are. Just focus entirely on the back and the sides.
Got it. Would you like me to dry your hair straight, or do you want some wavy curls?
Please dry it straight. My hair looks much shinier and smoother when it is completely straight and brushed.
I will use a special heat protection spray before using the hot hair dryer. It keeps your hair healthy.
That sounds great. I am trying to take better care of my hair this year to stop breakage.
All done. Let me hold this small mirror behind you. What do you think about the new length?
Oh, wow, it looks absolutely great. It feels so much lighter and healthier now. Thank you for listening.
You are very welcome. You look beautiful today. Would you like to buy a bottle of this shampoo?
Yes, I will take 1 bottle of the apple shampoo. Where can I pay for everything right now?
You can pay with the receptionist at the front desk near the door. Have a very wonderful day.
A trim means to cut only a little bit of hair. Always tell the stylist exactly what you want. Now, let's look at situation 4. Walking the dog in the park. It is a great way to talk.
Come here, buddy. Good boy. Oh, hello there. It is a beautiful sunny afternoon to be at the park.
Hi. Yes, the sun is shining brightly and the breeze is so nice. Your dog is very cute today.
Thank you. He is very excited to be outside. He loves running around and playing in the green grass.
My dog loves the park too. Come here, Bella. Say hello to the nice man and his happy dog.
Park?
Oh, look at them sniffing each other gently. What kind of breed is your dog? She has beautiful fur.
Bella is a pure golden retriever. She is very gentle and friendly with everyone. What about your handsome boy?
Buddy is a mixed breed. I actually adopted him from a local animal shelter about 2 full years ago.
That is so wonderful of you to rescue him. How old is Buddy now? He looks like a puppy.
He is actually 3 years old, but he always has so much crazy energy. How about your dog, Bella?
Bella just turned 5 last month. She is a bit older now, so she prefers sleeping on the sofa.
I completely understand that. Can Bella do any fun tricks? Buddy only knows how to sit and shake hands.
Bella is very smart. She can roll over, play dead, and catch a tennis ball in the air perfectly.
Wow, that is very impressive training. Do you usually give her small treats when she does a good trick?
Yes, she loves chicken treats. By the way, I have not seen you walking in this park before today.
I usually walk Buddy in the early mornings. But today, I had some free time in the sunny afternoon.
I see. I just moved into the blue apartment building down the street last week. It is nice here.
Nice to meet you. I live in the greenhouse across the street. Welcome to our quiet, friendly neighborhood.
Thank you so much. I am sure Bella and Buddy will see each other again soon. Have a great walk.
You too. Come on, Buddy, let's go chase some fast squirrels near those big trees over there. Bye now.
Asking about someone's dog is a perfect way to start a quick conversation and make friends in your neighborhood. Finally, let's look at situation 5. Adopting a pet from an animal shelter. Let's go find a new friend. Hello! I am looking for a new pet today. This animal rescue shelter is very clean and incredibly quiet.
Welcome. Thank you for choosing to adopt. Are you looking to take home a playful dog or a cat?
I live in a small apartment without a yard, so I think an indoor cat would be much better.
That makes perfect sense. We have many wonderful cats waiting for a forever home. Please follow me this way.
Oh my goodness, look at all these sweet cats sleeping. The little orange one in the corner is adorable.
Yes, that is Mango. He is a very special boy. He really loves to sleep in the warm sunshine.
Is he naturally friendly with new people? I have a young niece who visits me on the weekends sometimes.
Mango is incredibly friendly and very patient. He loves small children and enjoys being petted softly on his head.
That is exactly what I need in a pet. How old is he? He looks quite small right now.
He is about 2 years old. He is completely healthy,
Fully vaccinated and ready to go to a home.
Does he already have a microchip inside him? Just in case he accidentally runs out of the open door.
Yes, all our animals are microchipped for safety. We will update the chip with your personal phone number today.
Can I hold him for a minute? I want to see if we have a good, loving connection together.
Of course you can. Here you go. Just support his back legs. See, he is already purring loudly now.
He is so incredibly soft and warm. I think I am in love with him. I want to adopt him.
That is fantastic news. Mango will be so happy. We just need you to fill out some adoption papers.
I am so excited. What happens if, for some reason, he does not get along well in my apartment?
We have a 2-week trial period. You can always bring him back safely if things do not work out.
That makes me feel much better. I need to buy cat food, a litter box, and some fun toys.
We sell beginner starter kits at the front desk. Let's go to the office and make Mango officially yours.
Thank you for all your wonderful help today. Come on, Mango, let's go start your brand new happy life.
Adopting a pet means giving a homeless animal a loving family. It is a very kind and wonderful thing. You all did an incredible job today. We practiced speaking in so many different and useful real-life situations together. We ordered coffee, learned gym vocabulary, got a fresh haircut, and made new friends at the nice local park. In Part 7, we will learn how to handle daily mishaps and share good news with our close friends. Thank you for watching Daily Slow English. Remember to practice these conversations every single day. See you next time.
Daily Slow English.